Now the question is what's the path forward? How do we get made whole again? How do we get restored again? If I can put this here. So the path forward is this: use love to restore identity. The specific skill that we use tonight, this was a kit. Remember, KIT just stands for Conscious Transformation Technology, right? But when we can use love to restore identity, we went back with Janelle and we started sending the white light of love to every single thing inside of Janelle's memory. And we made sure that we started with her felt sense of love. What are we doing when we do that? What are we doing when we do that? Well, what we're doing is we're using love to restore her deeper sense of identity. In other words, we must ask the question, if the memories are affecting you and you have the ability to change them, you have the ability to send love to them, to transform what they mean to you. If your thoughts can be augmented, your thoughts about the past can be changed and transformed. What does that make you? Does that mean you have no authority over your life, or does that mean you have divine authority over your life? Who are you? So quietly and subtly, what Spirit was having us do was augment, transform through the memory augmentation, through the kit, through the conscious transformation technology. It was quietly having us transform Janelle's identity, restoring it back to its natural equilibrium, its natural expanse. Because notice that Spirit had me say, hey, do we have to go to the store in order to buy this? Sowing seeds for this very moment right now, when we see that, oh, wait, the point of this was just to restore her identity. Unbeknownst to her, unbeknownst to me. But by getting her to the place and by getting yourself to the place where you say, wait a minute, if if something that once felt heavy now feels light, if it feels like a weight could be lifted off of me and I didn't have to go buy anything, I didn't have to go do anything other than access this energy right here at whatever level I can access it. Even if it's just a little bit of love, that's fine. If it's a lot of bit of love, that's wonderful. But if it changes the way that I feel in the here and now, and I did that, would that mean I am such a person with no authority over my mind and life? Or would it mean I am a person with divine authority over my mind and life? You see, once we transform this identity, restore it back to its natural expansiveness, what you find is that love naturally speaks. There ain't no more voicelessness. What you find is that love naturally speaks. And once love is speaking, not only have you found your path forward to speak yourself, but you found your true voice. You found the true capacity the highest level of voice.